Okay, so let's start with something very simple. Let's say I'm going to type hey and I'm going to send this hey on WhatsApp. And as you can see, once I send this hey, this AI assistant is going to reply me automatically. And it is saying, hi, how can I assist you today? So let's ask a question. Let's say I'm going to type my question and I'm going to send this question. And as you can see, I asked, can I change my delivery address after placing the order? And you're going to see within seconds and in real time this AI assistant replied me. Let's ask another question. I'm going to ask about the return window. So I'm going to type my question and I am going to send my question. And yes, it is saying what's your return window. And once again within seconds and in real time this AI assistant has given me the answer to this, which is 14 to 90 days. So yes, you must be wondering, how is this possible that within seconds all my user queries are solved? So yes, we have created an AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow, and you can also create this AI assistant for your own business. But for that you have to follow me through the screen and I'll show you how you can create this step by step. Okay, so now let's start and know how we can create this AI assistant. For that, you have to open a new tab and search for the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow by typing pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser. And it is going to open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. You're going to get two options on the landing page. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, go on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. I am an existing user. So let's go on this sign in. And after we come on this sign in, we have all Pabbly apps. Over here, you can see this is Pabbly Chatflow. So click on this access now given under Pabbly Chatflow. Now it is going to open the account of Pabbly Chatflow and I've already logged in it. Now from the left hand of the side, we have to go towards this AI assistant and then we have to go towards this add AI assistant. We have to name our assistant. So let's say I'm going to name my assistant as FAQ bot and click on this add AI assistant button. Now you're going to see that a window something like this will appear in front of us. Now we have to select the instruction type. So over here, if you wish to give a custom prompt, you can go towards this custom prompt and select the same. But if you want to select any one of this pre-built example, you can do that also. We have some pre-built examples like AI agent, customer support agent and sales agent and much more. So I'm going to select one of this pre-built example, and as you're going to see that over here the instructions are automatically added. If you wish, you can definitely edit, delete or add some instructions according to your own choice. I'm going to keep it as same only. If you wish, you can definitely keep it as same too, because this is a pre-built example. The next which we have is this temperature. So over here you can set how creative the AI answers are going to be. So if you move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused, and if you move the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So I'm going to keep the temperature as 0.2 because I want more focused answers. For the AI to use, I'm going to select OpenAI, and for the model, I'm going to keep it as GPT-4 Mini. You can select any another of your choice. Now it is asking me for the API key. So to get this API key, we have to open our OpenAI API key page. And now you have to log in this. So you have to go towards this login and log in this OpenAI account. And as you can see that I have already logged in my account. So now after login in, you have to go towards this create new secret key. You have to enter your key name, select the project and click on this create secret key button and your key will be created. So you have to copy this key and paste it in your workflow and click on this connect, and automatically you're going to see it is saying OpenAI key saved successfully. And with this we have successfully added the API key. Now we can move on further. The next which we have is this AI assistant settings. So we have multiple settings: the header message, the footer message, the stop keywords, the retry attempts and then the fallback message. So if you wish to add a header or a footer message, you can simply switch on these buttons and add the header or a footer message something like this, and you can add up to 60 characters. I'm not going to add any, so I'm going to close this. Now the next is this stop keywords. So over here you have to enter the keywords that a user can type to stop the AI assistant. So how you can add this keyword? You have to type the keyword and then press enter. If you don't press enter, the keyword will not be added. And what is going to happen is that let's say a user is starting with this AI assistant and they type this stop keyword, keyword which is human, then automatically the AI assistant is not going to reply to that chat further. A manual review will be needed to take that chat back again towards the AI assistant. So let's say if the user wants to speak to a human, you can add the stop keyword which is human, and whenever the user is going to type human, the AI assistant is going to stop. The next which we have is this retry attempts. So if you wish, you can definitely specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant key fails to respond. So you can keep the range between 1 to 10. This is not required. I'm going to close it and move on further. The next which we have is this fallback message, which is going to be displayed when the API key of the AI assistant is not responding correctly. So what you can do is, let's say if a user has an emergency, you can add your support email address in this fallback message. So as you can see that this is the support email address of my company, so I'm going to add the same. And now let's say user has some emergency, so this message will be sent towards my user. If the API key is not responding, they can contact me on support email address. The next which we have over here is this knowledge source. So yes, you're going to see that the AI answered all my questions so accurately in the real-time example. But you must be wondering how this AI knows so much about my business. So I've uploaded this knowledge source on my AI assistant, using which it is going to solve all the user queries. Alright, so we have to upload this knowledge source. For that, you have to write the knowledge unique to your business in a Google Doc. Go to this file, download, and download this in TXT or PDF format. Both the formats are supported. I'll suggest you go for the TXT format because that is preferred, because for PDF we don't have any limit for text PDF. But if you go for PDF that has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. So it depends upon you can download it in TXT or PDF format. We support both of them, but I'll suggest you go for TXT. Now we have to upload this file, so we have to go to this choose a file, and then we have to go to this downloads, and we're going to upload this file which was a knowledge source. And after uploading this file, you're going to see that over here the file has been successfully uploaded. Now let's move towards this AI interface. Noticing header display heading name, so I'm going to add the brand name over here. So as you can see, the name of my brand is Trend eStore, so let's paste the same brand name. Now for the subheading, if you wish, you can definitely edit this, or if you wish, you can keep it as same. When you add something or delete something, it will be added right over here too. Alright, so now let's move on further. The next which we have is this initial message. So how you can add the initial message? You can type the initial message and then press enter, and automatically this initial message will be added over here. So you can add up to 2 initial messages. The next which we have is this display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you wish, you can enable or disable it from here. The next is this footer text and the footer link. So over here you can add the disclaimer or a link to your privacy policy. The next which we have is this user first message. So I'm going to keep it as hey. This message will be sent to WhatsApp as the initial message from my user. Alright, with this we have completed this interface. The next which we have is this styling. So if you wish, you can definitely style your WhatsApp chatbot. You can change the theme, you can change the shape, the colors, and the images. And once you complete this chatbot after styling, you have to switch on this toggle button. It is really important to switch on this toggle button, otherwise this chatbot will not get activated. And after switching on this, you have to click on this save AI assistant, and now our FAQ bot is ready to run. But we have created this bot, but how can we use it for our business? So you can go to this embedded, and you're going to get the script. So using this script, you can add this script on your website, and this chatbot will be added on your website. And then further, whenever someone visits your website or your landing page, they are going to see this chatbot there. And once they click on this start chat, they will be redirected towards WhatsApp, and when they message, automatically the AI assistant is going to solve their queries. The next method with the help of which you can assign them, you can go to this inbox section. Alright, so I'm just going to open this inbox in a new tab first, and after coming on this inbox, you can go to the particular contact you want to assign this AI assistant. Go to this choose AI assistant, assign the AI assistant, and click on this save. And now whenever this user is going to message me, this AI assistant is going to reply. But if you don't wish to assign the AI assistant multiple times to all your contacts, and you want to do this in a single click, then you can go towards this settings, and then towards this inbox settings. You have to scroll and switch on the setting which is enable AI auto replies. You have to select the contact list and then the AI assistant to reply to that contact list, and click on this save. And now whenever someone from this contact list is going to message you, automatically this AI assistant is going to reply. And if you wish to learn how to create a new contact list, or if you wish to learn about contact section or any another section of Pabbly Chatflow in detail. A video tutorial dedicated towards each of this section has been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. So with this, we have successfully completed this AI assistant, and now let's test this. So I'm just going to open my WhatsApp, and let's say I'm going to type hey, and once I send this hey, automatically my AI assistant is going to start and it is going to reply me, hi, how can I help you today? So let's say I'm going to ask a FAQ. So I'm going to look for this FAQ, and let's say I'm going to ask, how can I track my order? So I'm going to type, how can I track my order? And automatically this AI assistant is going to reply me. And as you're going to see, within seconds and in real time, like I showed you in the starting of this video, this AI assistant is replying me. Let's say I'm going to ask another question, what if my product arrives damaged? So let's say I'm going to send this, what if my product arrives damaged? And automatically the AI assistant is going to solve this user query too. We just have to wait for a few seconds, and as you can see, it is solving this query too. And with this, we have successfully completed this AI assistant, and now go try this amazing AI assistant for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the assistant, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.